How to make gumballs. Skip the store and make your own gumballs at home. Ingredients: 1/3 cup gum pellets, 3/4 cup confectioners sugar plus 2 tablespoons for sprinkling, 1/2 tablespoons light corn syrup, 1/4 teaspoon citric acid, food coloring and flavoring of your choice. Other things you will need: microwavable bowl, popsicle sticks, wax paper for lining, wax paper cut into 3 by 3 inch squares. Instructions: Step 1: Pour the confectioner's sugar onto the wax paper and make a well in the center using a popsicle stick. Step 2: Put the gum pellets, corn syrup, and citric acid in a bowl and pop in the microwave for 45 seconds. Step 3: Stir the mixture and heat again for 10 seconds. Repeat until the pellets have completely melted. Step 4: Pour the mixture onto the center of the confectioner's sugar and stir using a popsicle stick. Step 5: When the mixture is cool enough, start mixing using your hands until well combined. Step 6: Add the flavoring and coloring. Step 7: Knead the gum until it becomes smooth and easy to roll. Step 8: Roll the gum into a thin snake. Step 9: Cut into bite-size pieces. Step 10: Roll each piece into a ball and dust with confectioner's sugar. Step 11: Wrap in squared wax paper.